I would say one of the most unexpected problems, and this naturally happens. These unexpected problems happen because we use this equipment, these suits, over and over again. And so one of the unexpected problems that happened when one of the astronauts was doing an EVA, one of the Italian astronauts, is that they started to develop a leak in their water-cooled garment. Each of the astronauts has an undergarment that has these plastic tubes where water flows in order to cool your body. And so it was leaking, and the system was leaking, and it was coming inside the helmet. So if you can imagine, in zero gravity, these globules of water, these spheres of water could collect, and you could potentially drown in your spacesuit, in your helmet. And that was very serious. The astronaut, luckily, there were no problems. He was able to make it to the hatch, make it inside the space station, and we're continuing to try to understand what caused that problem. And so there are many things that could go wrong in the spacesuit, and naturally we monitor the health of the life support equipment that the astronaut has on his back on that suit electronically, and we get signals as to how those systems are performing. And we have emergency procedures if some of those systems malfunction, if we're not able to scrub the carbon dioxide, if the oxygen is not being produced adequately, and the astronauts have an emergency procedure that they follow.